one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE DA 2025 GA question number 1. Courage, bravery, yearning, dash. Select the most appropriate option to complete the analogy and 4 options are given. First, understand each word meaning. What is courage? You can say you have courage to do something. You have courage to do bungee jumping. You have courage to do swimming inside sea, right? So courage means you have no fear. You have that courage. You can do some fearless activity. Then bravery also same. You are too brave that you can go out in night. You are too brave that you can fight with some animal. So courage and bravery are similar. Next, yearning. Yearning means you have intense desire to do something. You have longing to do something. That's yearning. So feeling of intense longing for something. You want to qualify, get with good rank. So that's your yearning. So yearning and longing are same. Answer will be option A. Still, let's check each option and understand meaning of each option. So option A, longing. What is longing? A strong desire of yearning for something. You have longing to qualify, get. Means you have strong desire to qualify, get. So that's your longing. Longing and yearning both were same. Next, yelling. Yelling means sounding loud. Give a loud sharp cry, means you are crying in pain, you are sounding, you are screaming in loud. So that's the yelling. Then yearning. Yearning means when we open your mouth and we want to take air from outside, when you are sleepy. So that is yearning. Next option D, glaring. Glaring means shining with a bright, harsh light. You can see the diamond is glaring and being very obvious or conspicuous, especially in a negative way. So now we understood each word of each option. Answer will be option A, longing. Strong desire to achieve something. That's longing. Also the yearning. Answer will be option A. It's easy. If you know the meaning of yearning, you can easily solve this question. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.